In my fidget drawer. Alright, now I'm gonna tell you about the fidget. This is literally my favorite. Like, look at it. This is like a water timer thingy. And look at it. It has little hearts. It's so adorable. I love it. 10 out of 10. A mini puppet. I like the color. And I love mini puppets. It's pretty good. Rubik's Cube, you know Rubik's Cubes, they're not really good. 1 out of 10. This squish ball, oh my gosh, it squishes so well. And second, oh, there we go, found it. Oh, well, it broke. This is all I can do, and I gotta go wash my hands. Now that that's over, let's finish with the video. Y'all all probably noticed this, but I have a panda puppet, our Dimple. It's pretty fun and pretty cute. Yeah, so, yeah. I know this isn't a fidget, but it's a fidget to me. It's literally a bracelet, but it's so satisfying. 10 out of 10. Mochis, look. Little mochis. Little sun one. These are 10 out of 10, but I have too many of them. Bike chains. I don't really know how to use them. 3 out of 10. This. 2. It's very oily. And oh, jeez. Yep. Slips out of my hand. Monkey noodles. I don't know how to use them. Too stretchy can hurt someone. 1 out of 10. Whatever this is called. It's pretty fun actually. 10 out of 10. And you can turn it into a bracelet, but it's too hard for me. Then this squish ball. It's pretty fun. But when I squish it, my fingers start to hurt. So yeah, those are my fidgets.